On this episode of Trekking Beyond, we will be traveling to Japan. We had the opportunity to take 2 weeks off and explore Tokyo, Osaka, and Kyoto. When we arrive in Japan, we will be staying in a special ward of Tokyo called Nakano and use that as our base to explore the rest of Tokyo. Visiting Japan has always been a dream of mine since I was a kid. After so many years, I finally have the opportunity to explore Japan and experience the Japanese culture. During this episode, we will show you an amazing place in Tokyo called Nakano. Our journey begins in our home city of Calgary, Canada, and then we take an Air Canada flight to Narita Airport in Tokyo. After that, we continue on with the SkyTrain to our destination. Right next to Shinjuku, one stop away with the train, is one of Tokyo's most underrated neighborhoods called Nakano. You will find Nakano has a more local vibe with many independent businesses, especially ramen shops. I would definitely recommend to stay there as we found it more affordable. Our guest house was very nicely located in a residential area. We had the great opportunity to walk through the communities and back streets and see how people live, the style of housing, and take in some of the real Tokyo. Join us next time as we explore more of Nakano in part 2.